Hey, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, and today I'm going to take you through a new boat we have in stock from Boston Whaler. This is a 2024 325 Conquest. Let's check it out. So here on the transom on Boston Whaler's 325 Conquest, we've got swim platforms that are angled outward. I do have a reboarding ladder on the starboard side with the stainless steel grab handle. So this is an easy boat to get in and out of when you're anchored or beached. Full walk across transom with shore power connection points right here. I've also got a nice live well on board on the port side aft. This boat is powered by Mercury's new V10 400 horsepower 5.7 liter Verado engines. Incredible power on this boat. Also featured the top cowling service door, so you can check or add to your oil or remove the cowlings all with a single lever right there. The planing speed and the top end speed is incredible on this boat with these new V10 Mercs. You're definitely gonna wanna check them out. Rod holders along the back, freshwater sprayer as you re-enter, and then a nice tall cockpit door. Keeps small dogs or small children safely inside. Huge cockpit on this 325 Conquest, so if you want to fish this boat, you got a ton of room, but it's also a great entertaining platform as well. Nice seat that can easily seat 3 side by side and stows away. Very nice and clean. There's also a reboarding ladder for the starboard side dive door that stows right here. Got tow rails on both sides. Longer portion is on the port side. JL audio sound system throughout. More rod holders and cup holders and all stainless steel hardware. 2 fish boxes on board, both port and starboard. These are pump out fish boxes. Systems access on this boat is phenomenal, as it is on all Boston Whalers. Everything is really easy to keep clean, super well organized. We've got our generator down here and also dedicated storage for a teak cockpit table. Coming over here to the starboard side, we do have a really heavy duty swing in dive door. There's a look at that painted blue hull. You've also got a swing-in stainless steel grab handle right there. So easy access in and out of the boat, in addition to what you have at the transom. And that's also where that ladder gets dropped into place. So moving forward to the port side, we have this really nice mezzanine seat with a backrest that pivots to face either direction. We have 2 sets of tackle drawers, a nice pull-out step that makes it a little bit easier to get on and off this seat. You can see how high the backrest is, and then this easily just stows away nice and clean. And then lastly, got a prep area with a cutting board and a Kenyon electric grill, a little storage area just to the left of that. Moving further forward, got a wet bar area with a solid surface countertop and a sink. That insert can fully remove. There's also a fridge and a trash can down below. A little space for a trash can right there. You can see we're now underneath the hardtop. Huge sun coverage and protection from the elements. There's also a powered shade that extends all the way aft with the push of a button. Got rocket launcher style rod holders on both sides, along with handles to get up to the hardtop if we need to. This seat here can face forward as well, along with this forward seat, observer seat. And then this can pivot to face aft to create opposing seating. And then you've also got a teak table that can raise all the way down and be tucked away beneath the seat, or can raise up to a cocktail table position. Really versatile area here. Creates a really nice social zone when you're just hanging out. When you're running, everybody can face forward and enjoy the water while you're underway. If we pan up to the hardtop, you'll see we've got a storage area up here for soft items. That's also where all the isinglass to enclose the windshield are stored. We have outriggers already installed. Notice that the underside of the hardtop is in that matching blue to match the hull. We have hatches on both sides to create some more ventilation. Our Simrad VHF is already installed. We've got our climate control thermostat for our air conditioning. We do have air conditioning both in the cabin and in the cockpit. Love the feature on these Boston Whalers, but you have 2 powered vents within the windshield. So I can get some ventilation with the touch of a button on both port and starboard side. Coming here to the helm area, you have a really nice helm seat with armrests that raise and lower and a flip-up bolster. So whether you're in a standing position, you got a really comfortable area with a lot of space with 2 angled footrests, or if you want to sit up a little more elevated, this also slides forward as well if you want to close that gap. But a great space to operate at the helm. Of course, digital throttle and shift with those Mercury 400 horsepower V10 Verados. Joystick control with autopilot and skyhook features tied in. Oversized steering wheel on a tilt base with a steering knob. More cup holders up front. Boat has trim tabs with LED indicators, along with control for a spotlight mounted on top of the hardtop. 2 huge touchscreen displays from Simrad. Rocker style switches at the helm, along with your AC vents, and we can also control the volume on our sound system right here. Further forward, we've got 2 recessed areas, more cup holders up front for that portside observer, charging ports for your devices, huge full-size windshield with large windshield wipers as well. And now we'll make our way down in the cabin. This is a really comfortable and inviting area. We've got a U-shaped settee dining area with a really nice high gloss table. This does lower. And now I can drop a filler cushion and I can convert this into a berth. We've got great natural lighting, both overhead and on both sides of the boat. We've got reading lights on both sides, JL audio speakers, cabinetry storage on both sides of the boat, and a nice television mounted on the starboard side facing forward. Port side, got a little galley here with a Kenyon single burner cooktop, freshwater sink, microwave, and a refrigerator with freezer. Really nice head on this boat. Got a nice full-size mirror. Nice headroom inside this head area. You've got a sink with a pull-out sprayer if you want to do any showering. Drain in the floor. Toilet is angled away, so you have plenty of space. Nice solid surface countertop and storage right here as well. Behind this port side cabinetry, we have our sound system control, VHF radio, thermostat for our AC, distribution panel for all of our 110 and battery-powered systems. Nice larger closet here on the port side, and then another trash receptacle here, in addition to a hidden trash receptacle that's beneath this step. And these steps also have non-skid for some added safety as you're getting in and out of the cabin. This boat does sleep 4 very comfortably. We've got an aft cabin down below. This is also a great place for storage. Currently have a lot of items stowed back here, but this continues all the way to the starboard side. Got a nice privacy curtain. Great place to lay down, especially for younger families doing any overnighting on board. On the port side ceiling down in the cabin, we also have storage for 3 rods that mount up to the ceiling. So a great use of space down in the cabin on the 325 Conquest. So the foredeck of the 325 Conquest is a great space if you want to catch some sun while you're anchored or beach. You can see the amount of real estate we have up front here. Big, huge sun pad with cup holders on either side. Got a great space for lounging and catching some sun. We do have 2 rod holders up front that act as stanchions as well. So you could make this space totally shaded with a shade kit and drop those stanchions into those rod holders. Big stainless steel cleats, nice tall bow rail for safety. Windlass anchor, of course. And then down here we have a remote for that windlass and also a hand tool if you needed to crank it up manually. Looking back here at the hardtop, you can see some of the equipment we have on top. Mount for radar, which is just not yet installed. We've got our horn overhead. We've got a look at the outrigger mounts, and then there's our spotlight up front as well. That concludes our walkthrough of Boston Whaler's 325 Conquest. If you have any interest in this boat or any of our others, be sure to give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at MarineMax.com. And thanks for watching.